Hi, in this video we're going to have a look at the order of operations. By the end of the lesson you should be able to find the correct answer to a number question that uses different operations. Order of operations refers to the order that you have to solve a question in order to get the correct answer. This might use a combination of multiplication, addition, subtraction and division. Let's have a look at an example. Let's say I wanted you to find 20 take away 5 times 2. You might be tempted to do 20 take away 5 first, which is 15, and then times that answer by 2 to get 30. Unfortunately, this is wrong. You must do multiplication before you do subtraction. That is part of the order of operations. So to correctly get this answer, we do 5 times 2 first, which is 10, and then we do 20 take away 10 to get our correct answer of 10. But what are the order of operations and how will you remember them? This acronym has helped me out a lot. BODMAS. Those letters stand for brackets, other, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, or at least that's what they stand for me. Let's have a look at an example that involves some brackets. We have 5 plus 2 times 3 in brackets. The order of operations says that we have to do the brackets first, so I'm going to do 2 times 3 before I do anything else. 2 times 3 is 6. Now I can go 5 plus 6 to get 11. That's the correct answer. Other is a little bit of a controversial one. This really stands for all the other operations besides division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. In my example, I'm going to give you something with a squared in it. A squared is a little 2 above a number. That means multiply this number by itself. So 5 squared, or 5 to the power of 2, which is that simple, is 25, 5 times 5. Now I take away 2 and I get 23 as my correct answer. The next order we have to do the question in is division and multiplication. These get done at the same time, working from left to right. Let's have a look at an example here. 16 plus 8 divided by 2. Division has to come before addition. So we must do 8 divided by 2 first to get 4, and then 16 plus 4 gives us 20, the correct answer. Finally, we have addition and subtraction, and again, these have to be done in the same order from left to right. We don't do addition before subtraction or subtraction before addition, we always work left to right. So in this example, 10 take away 5 plus 1, 10 take away 5 comes first, so that is what I'm going to do first. 10 take away 5 is 5, plus 1 gives me the correct answer of 6. If I try to do addition first, because it comes first in my BODMAS acronym, here's what would happen. 5 plus 1 gives me 6, and 10 take away 6 gives me 4, a completely different answer. They both can't be correct. The second one is incorrect. Always work left to right when addition and subtraction are in the question. Take some time to pause the video now, write down the acronym and write down the 4 examples that I've given you, and make sure that you understand what order you have to do these questions in. Alright, let's have a look at a couple of examples. To start with, we're going to do 6 plus 10 divided by 2. The order of operations says that I have to do division before I do addition. So I'm going to do 10 divided by 2 first, and I'm just going to give me 5. Now I can do 6 plus 5, and that gives me 11, the correct answer. This second example is a little bit more involved. I can see some subtraction, multiplication, some brackets with an addition inside it, and also a division. So I need to make sure that I know my order of operations and I have the word BODMAS either in my head or in front of me. B for BODMAS means brackets goes first, so I need to do 4 plus 6 before I do anything else. That gives me 10. Next in BODMAS is the O, there's no other there, so I'm going to look at the D and the M, which is division and multiplication. I'm going to do them in order from left to right, so I need to do what's in green there. 2 times 10 divided by 5. 2 times 10 is 20, divided by 5 gives me 4. I'm just going to write it above there so I remember the answer. Now I can do 18 take away 4, which will give me my correct answer of 14. Time to pause the video again, summarize these questions, and make sure that you understand which order that you need to do the operations in. And that's it. I hope by now you understand the order of operations, that you remember the acronym BODMAS, and that'll help you to know what order to do questions in. Good luck.